The West Bay Sewer Jetter Kit 100-foot hose gives you enough reach to clear long residential drain runs without dragging the pressure washer all over the property. Its sewer jetter hose is built with a reinforced thermoplastic construction rated for very high pressure, so it feels durable and resists kinking in real use. The included set of button nose, rotating, and corner nozzles lets you tackle straight lines, stubborn clogs, and tight bends more effectively than a single generic tip. A quick connect plug and the metric to 1/4 inch adapter make it simple to hook this kit to most consumer pressure washers without hunting for extra fittings. The small accessories, including the spanners, watertight tape, and cleaning pin, show thoughtful design because they help with installation, sealing, and nozzle maintenance. Overall, this kit turns an ordinary pressure washer into a capable drain cleaning tool that can save repeated calls to a plumber for many common clogs.